What is going on, guys? How are you? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today I have a double unboxing. I had some new watches that came in and I wanted to share them with you guys. I'm quite excited actually for one of them. I mean, I'm excited for both of them. It's always good when you unbox new watches. But this one in particular, I haven't had Heimdallr on the channel in a very long time. And I'm curious to see what their quality is like nowadays, if they're still consistent to the old days on how their watches used to be. Because I don't know if you remember, but I have a lot of reviews on Heimdallr. And in this box, I actually have a watch that has been really coveted. It's a really good budget brand. You'll get to see it. It's a nice homage. Jody, I know from Just One More Watch, raves on about it. It's pretty cool and has really good lume for not a lot of money. But enough waffle, let's get into the boxes. Now I have my watch. I have my trusty knife here. This was gifted to me by my friend DK from the Watchtower Watch Reviews a very long time ago, and I haven't used it in a long time. So let's get into it and see if it's still, yep, it's still sharp. That's really good. See. Let's put that on the side. So this is the first one. I don't know the model number, the exact model number for this, but it should be fun. I see that they changed their packaging a little bit. They used to have those one watch sort of plastic cases that used to open from the top. Okay, so this is cardboard. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, so I like the way they have the tag now, the sharp tag. So what is this? Again, I don't know the exact model number, but this is a 62 Moss style sort of case that they have. Okay. Quite excited. Let's peel some stickers. Let's take a closer look at that dial. Okay. That is pretty cool. This is a 62 Moss style case, but it's a mixture. It's not a direct copy, but it's not the one that I have. I think it's the one that I have is the SBB 147. I'm not entirely sure. But it's not, I think it's the model prior to that, because we have straight lugs here as well. This looks really, really nice. I'm curious to see if Heimdallr still hold on to the still apply a lot of lume on their indices as they used to do. They're really good known for lume. Let's check out the bezel. Also, by the way, speaking of bezel, we have a bezel insert of this is a ceramic bezel insert. That's pretty cool. Let's check out the bezel action. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Nice and consistent, nice and solid. Aligns perfectly. No backplay. Let's see the crown. Nice crown action. I presume that this has the NH35. Let's see if we have we don't have a date function, so let's see if we have a ghost position. Let me see, 1. Yeah, so we do have a ghost position. That's okay, that's not the end of the world. So we don't have the NH38, we have the NH35. That's cruising nicely. Nice. Milled, so this is a pressed clasp, but it's good solid material, and milled lower. What do we have? Do we have push pins, or do we have, so we have screw pins from what I can see here to size. This is pretty good. It feels really solid in the hand, good weight to it. Okay, that's really nice. So that's the first, that is the Heimdallr. This looks pretty good. Okay, let's put this aside and let's get into the next one. I'm actually quite happy with that, to be honest. So the next one that we have in here, let's zoom out a little bit. All right, let's see. Do I need a knife for this? I do need a knife for this. And yes, it is the Steeldive. And I think you know which Steeldive this is. I'm literally throwing packaging and wrapping all over the kitchen here where I'm filming. So, whoop. Okay, so this is a tool to size the bracelet. And yes, I've been waiting to get this in for a very long time. It is the Captain Willard. This is really, really nice. I've heard so much about this watch, so much. And rightfully so. I mean, this is a lot of watch for, this is under $100 as far as I'm aware. I'll put links down below to the store, to the AliExpress link, the AliExpress store. This is so good looking. Look at that case. Okay, let me see. Just zoomed in a little bit. Yeah, that is beautiful. Ceramic bezel insert, sapphire crystal, this kind of like cushion style case. Let me see the crown action. NH35 movement, in case I didn't say that. So we also have a stated water resistance, I think, of 200 meters. That screws in nicely. This is beautiful. Let's check out the bezel action. Whoop, that's a bit stiff. Oh, so that's looser now. That is perfect. That is perfect. Just needed a bit of persuasion, but it's not the worst. Oh, it's a bit. So it slots in nicely. But yeah, I think it's a bit jumpy when it hits the 6 o'clock. So when the 12 o'clock marker hits the 6 o'clock round thereabouts. But it's not the end of the world. I don't mind. It's not very, very consistent, but for a watch under $100, this is absolutely perfect. Check out the bracelet. So again, we have a pressed upper safety on the clasp, and we have a milled lower. That is beautiful. And we also have, do we have push pins or do we have screws? I think these are push pins. I don't know if you can see that. It's not showing. It doesn't matter. But yeah, this actually looks really, really nice, guys. Still not super convinced on the bezel action. I think once it slots in, it needs a bit of persuasion again to move it, but it's not the worst that I've seen. And again, not something that I complain, because this bezel won't see any action in terms of timing any, you know, dive times or anything. So this is really, really nice. I'm actually quite impressed with this. Really good lume too as well, as you can see. But look, we'll test that in the full video. Let me just put these aside. All right, and show you the two together. Let's make some space. Put this away as well. So yeah, that was it, guys. Check out stick around, click a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so. If you want to see the full review for these bad boys, they will be coming out very, very, very soon on the channel. I'm quite excited because I haven't had one of these in. I think this is my first experience with Steeldive, and I'm quite excited to try them on. So yeah, that was it from me, guys. Thank you very much. Click a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so, and stick around for the full reviews. They will be coming up very, very soon. Bye.